Welcome to St. Nicholas。
歡迎來到金巴倫英文幼稚園。
歡迎嚟到金巴倫英文幼稚園。
咁雖然我哋歷史悠久，但係我哋絕對唔會守舊，會不斷創新，不斷去改革我哋學校。咁例如我哋嘅硬件上面咧，我哋嘅操場啦，鋪咗綠油油嘅人造草皮啦，教材課程上面咧都會不斷更新啦，添置好多新穎嘅大型嘅玩具啦。咁希望咧令到我哋嘅小朋友咧喺一個好愉快、好安全、好優質嘅環境底下咧喺度學習。大家都知道而家係 AI 年代啦，咁但係我覺得知識同技能咧唔係咁重要，喺學習做人嘅態度上邊咧先至最重要嘅。咁所以咧，我哋喺學校裏面咧，我哋都會創設好多嘅唔同嘅環境，讓個小朋友去發揮佢哋嘅創造能力，訓練佢嘅思維、思考、解難嘅能力先最重要嘅。
咁蒙特梭利教學法咧，主要就訓練到小朋友咧係4樣嘢嘅。就係專注啦、秩序感啦、手眼嘅協調啦，同埋獨立性嘅。蒙特梭利其實總共有5大個課程嘅範疇嘅。例如我哋數學方面啦，Montessori 入邊咧有一個叫 Bank Game 銀行遊戲，咁咧佢係將過18千位嘅數咧係化成一啲珠珠，咁咧俾小朋友去數。我哋蒙特梭利嘅教具咧都喺每一個課室都會有啦。咁但係有一樣嘢特別咧，就係我哋希望家長都喺屋企可以都套用到呢個教學方法。咁所以咧，我哋特別設計咗一啲嘅練習簿啦，將啲 3D 嘅教具平面化咗佢，家長可以同小朋友咧就係一齊去複習翻佢哋上堂做過嘅一啲嘅教具、一啲嘅 concept。
So our English curriculum here at St. Nicholas, we follow the Montessori approach. At the toddler program, it mainly focuses on sensory play and practical life skills. These are activities which get the children used to skills they'll need in later life, and also there's a lot of songs and stories. We just try and expose the children to as much English as possible. We mainly have our English curriculum split up into different themes throughout the year. So these themes can range from animals and nature, and we have open discussions and open dialogues with the children. We try and encourage them to put their hands up as much as possible, listening to each other's opinions. So that's mainly where we're focusing on the speaking and listening.
今年我哋新增咗一個聯合國一個大家都關注嘅一個議題啦。咁嗰個叫做 Sustainable Development Goals。咁裏面佢有17項嘅議題咧。咁去年我哋就已經選取咗一項 Life Below Water。咁家長同我哋一齊去探討呢個議題，小朋友做咗好多個 project。咁我哋今年就揀咗一個叫做 Climate Action， 就係講乎關於氣候嘅變化對我哋生活上面有啲咩影響咧嚇，動物有咩影響咧？咁我哋會大家去集體，我哋共同去策劃啊，去揾一啲共通點啊，令到我哋嘅小朋友更加會理解到呢個議題。每一年咧，我哋都有好多學生咧入到唔同嘅傳統嘅名校啦，又或者係區裏面嘅名校嘅。咁我哋收生嘅準則咧，其實咧就睇2方面啦。第一就係睇小朋友啦，第2方面咧，我哋都會睇家長。其實我哋學校就係一個充滿愛同埋歡樂嘅一個環境咧，我哋會有啲遊戲俾佢哋玩下，咁我哋會觀察住小朋友，等佢輕鬆咗之後，先進入個課室裏面咧，就我哋會老師係1對1咁去面見佢哋，同佢傾下偈啊，我哋會俾一啲適合小朋友玩嗰啲蒙特梭利嗰啲嘅教具俾佢砌啊。俾佢去觸摸啊！咁我哋會觀察小朋友，佢會唔會過分依賴佢嘅父母咧？評估咗小朋友佢哋嘅能力之後咧，我哋就會同爸爸媽媽傾偈嘅。呢個傾偈先最重要，就了解到爸爸媽媽佢哋真正嘅需要。佢哋了唔了解我哋學校個辦學嘅理念咧？佢哋嗰個嘅期望值係咪相符合咧？咁我哋先至係作為一個 perfect match 啦，我哋叫做嚇大家配對得啱啦。咁我哋就會收小朋友啦。